This mod enhanced the existing car textures in Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 with the high resolution visuals for a better graphics experience. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now you need to navigate to the game folder. The default game location is program files x86 EA Games Need for Speed Most Wanted. After you are in the game directory, just copy this cars folder and paste it in another location. For example, I'm going to paste it in desktop. Go back to games directory and open the WinRAR and open the police car folder. Just drag and drop these cars inside of a game directory. Select the replace the file in the destination and select continue. Select do this for all current items and select continue. And go back, open the race cars. Just drag and drop the cars. Replace the file in the destination. Continue. Go back, open the traffic cars. Just drag and drop the cars inside of a game directory. Say continue. And after all these done, just close stuff here and launch the game. And once you are in game, as you can see, a man is driving. The textures are super good in cars. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.